So according to research in your survey, there's a 50% chance right
Hey,
now
what?
you've got one of these in your car. It has nothing to do with driving.
Huh?
It has nothing to do with the car.
You know what?
With any automotive services.
No. Right there in the truck.
50% chance you've got this in the car right now. What do you think I'm talking about? 951-676-1013. Again, according to a survey, there is a 60% chance you've got one of these in your car right now, and it has nothing to do with the car. You think you know? Right answer. 951-676-1013. Get those hockey tickets. Good luck to you.
I-16s. I-16s. I guess where the camera. See it on first. I should have got on first. Number 6. We're already loose. Try to pick it apart another day. Another day. Take your time. Change the cylinders already. Started. You see my other side?
More variety for the IE.
It's me. Hi, I'm the problem. It's me. And T. I'm in love with the shape of you. I'm in love with your body.
KDFM.
Coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine. Gotta be down because.
Where did this connect? Let me see. Here, I took off the last.
Resort. The Miracle Mile RV Show is back April 9th to the 12th. Join us and ride to the 15 main event to shop sponsorship pricing on over 36 football fields of new and used RVs. Check out the latest 2026 RVs and get huge discounts on all 2025 models. Manufacturer reps will be on site to answer questions and compete for your business. Enjoy fun on-site activities, and parking and admission are free. Learn more at MiracleMileRVShow.com.
The Palm Springs Aerial Traveler. A marvel in the desert. A way to rise above and into wonder. In the thrill of the ride. In breathing deep and getting lost in the view. In the trail that draws you forward. In climbing higher and going farther and see what's out there. The Palm Springs Aerial Trail Line. Rise into wonder.
$5,000. That's the average amount of money people in the U.S. are now spending on gas in a year. $100,000. That's crazy. If you drive, you have to download Upside, the free app that gives you cash back every time you get gas. That's right, you can earn real cash back with Upside just by buying the gas you're already buying. You can literally start earning cash back today.
I use Upside every time I fill up. I'm already near up to $300.
You're putting gas in your car anyway. Why not get real cash back? If you like free money, download Upside.
I'm saving the cash I earn from using Upside to help pay for a vacation later this year.
Download the free Upside app now and earn cash back every time you buy gas. Use promo code EXIT25 to get an extra 25 cents per gallon on your first tank. You can cash out anytime, right to your bank, PayPal, or a gift card from Amazon and other brands. Just download the free Upside app and use promo code EXIT25 for a 25 cents per gallon bonus on your first tank. That's code EXIT25 for a 25 cents per gallon bonus.
This hour of music is brought to you by the Positive Coaching Alliance.
More music